If you logged into X to tweet something recently, you must have noticed it wasn't working at all. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your place for the latest tech news. The Elon Musk owned social app X, which was formerly known as Twitter, has reportedly faced an outage, which has impacted thousands of users globally as they're unable to access the platform. A website used for tracking outages, Downdetector, showed more than 32,000 users who reported about the X outage. About 31,600 of these reports came from the United States, where majority of the users reported timeline or feed and app problems. As per Downdetector, about 53% of users reported problems with their feed or timeline. Meanwhile, 35% said they were unable to access X app entirely, and only 6% faced issues with the X website. X hasn't provided any official statement about the outage or when the services will be restored, but this isn't the first time this has happened. If we bring out the receipts, X has faced a global outage 3 times before this one, making this the 4th time the app's affecting thousands of users in various countries like the US and UK. When will the platform run smoothly again still remains a question. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.